Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So if you are unable to update Windows clock on Microsoft Store because of this error code, that is 0x80073CF3, to fix it, uninstall Windows clock. For this you can copy this command. This command is provided in the video description. Type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt app and then click on run as administrator. Make sure that you open command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now paste the command over here, hit the enter key. This will uninstall Windows clock. Once uninstalled, now you can close this, restart Microsoft Store. You can close this and then you can copy the second command. This command is also provided in the video description. Copy this, type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click once again, run as administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now paste the command over here, hit the enter key. This will reinstall. Type in yes over here and then hit the enter key, and starting package install, and this will install Windows clock once again. And here you can see it's successfully installed. Now you can open Windows clock and that should fix the error. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.